You Bozeman?
Yes I am.
How you doing? Nicky Scalisi here. I'm your local gangster.
What can I do for you, Mr. Scalisi?
Got some papers served on me, this damn subpoena. This damn little monkey dropped it on me the other day. It's not fair, you know? I need your help. I need someone to defend me in court. You know?
Well, let's take a look at this.
We were down at the, me and the boys, we were talking a little bit. We like the way you handled that Gambino crime family case, okay? I thought it was genius.
Well, what did you like about that?
Well, let me tell you, Counselor. You went out there, it was like Shakespeare. You're right there in front of the stage in the opening, right? Everybody's quiet. The judge even put his coffee down. You could hear a pin drop. And the damn jury, the ones with the purple hair, the little old ladies, they were crying. I'm telling you, it was poetry.
You know, we actually didn't even practice the closing arguments. I wanted to look in their eyes before I did it.
Is that right? It was brilliant, Counselor, brilliant.
Well, Mr. Scalisi, let's take a look here. The RICO Act, conspiracy to commit organized crime. I'm not going to be able to defend you against that charge. I'm sorry.
Counselor, I got 250 G's right here in this suitcase. Okay? I can buy this whole freaking neighborhood twice over. It's gonna make you rich.
Well, maybe you should take a further look here. It says murder, 9 bodies found in the backyard.
You know, I got a problem with that. I bought the house 10 years ago, me and the wife, all right? I don't know what's buried in the damn backyard. It could be dead Indians for all I know. But when Columbus came over on the boat after the Civil War, you know what I'm saying? Why is that Nicky's problem?
Listen, I'm not gonna be able to help you. I can't do this.
Look, I'm not asking you, I'm telling you. You need to take care of business. Capiche?
How much money is it that you said you have down there for me?
250 clams.
Would you care for a drink?
A drink?
Yes. You know, things are always better when you have a little belt with them, you know?
All right, you knock yourself out there, Cupcake. I'm good.
Let's continue to take a look at the charges, shall we? There's a kidnapping charge, kidnapping of the Johnson family.
Kidnapping. Oh yeah, the Johnson family down the block. You know, nice little family. You know, we went on a little picnic. You know, family. Maybe they ate a poison sandwich. Maybe that's it. No, maybe it was. They were in the woods walking around. They got lost. I think they fell in the river. What? You know what? It was the bear. You know, them bears are hungry. Okay, they want to eat something. They probably ate that too. What's my memory again?
You've also got murder charges. Male victim shot in the head 10 times. And the guy next to him was stabbed 17 times and found in your driveway.
You know, these kids, they come and they park on my driveway. You know, there's something wrong with that. I think they're on dope or something. You know, he stabbed himself 17 times. He shot himself in the head 10 times. You know what I mean? He's got to be on something. I don't know why they're bothering me.
It goes on to say that they found $3.5 million in your possession in a suitcase in your basement. Now, how is it I'm going to defend against $3.5 million worth of cash?
You tell them I'm an overachiever, and that's why I got that cash in my house. I got a construction business, okay? Anti-Italian. My civil rights are being violated here. I'm tired of this crap, all right? My parents came over on a boat and I've been getting subpoenas for my whole entire life. Saying right. I ain't putting up with this crap no more.
Mr. Bozeman, you have a call on line 1.
Hold on my call screen.
These your kids here?
Yes, they are.
Nice looking kids. I got a question. How come they don't look like you?
Well, they're adopted.
Adopted?
Adopted, yes.
That means you ain't got no lead in that little pencil of yours, huh?
Can you get down here right away? Thanks.
I'm gonna continue to read here. Let's see. Illegal gambling, fixing football games, point shaving, horse racing, illegal racketeering. Explain this one to me. Assault and battery on Viola Carina?
That was my first wife. Okay? I already beat that rat. Okay? She fell down the steps backwards 2 flights. I don't know. Things happen. But you know what? God rest her soul.
Oh, yes, God rest her soul.
Amen.
So, tell me how much money that you have again, that suitcase?
Oh, I got 250 G's for you there, Captain. Here, take this. That's more to cover everything.
Mr. Scully, we're gonna be able to work something out, I think. What I'm gonna need you to do is sign a contract.
Okay.
And,
Now we're talking.
don't worry about the name here, I'm gonna change it.
Who's that?
Just
Who's that?
Don't worry about that, I'm gonna fix
Who's
that.
Stevie Ray?
Just
Who's that
sign-
guy?
You sign right there on the bottom line there, that would be.
Oh, shit.
There he is.
Come on, you gotta be kidding.
Shark's dried up. We've been looking for you for 3 days.
Really?
We're gonna take you back to the center.
Well, I don't want to go, man. I don't want to go.
But you have to. We have two friends who want to meet you there. Tugboat Tully and Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Yeah?
Your favorites, yeah.
That's right, Tugboat. You know, he says if you're a good boy, he can get you up in the top rope, you can go in front of the crowd and everybody go, you know you want to do that, right? Wear your little panties if you want to. We don't judge. We're going to let you do what you want to do. It's your 5 minutes. Yes. If you want to wear your little pink little tutu and dance a little around, choo-choo, choo-choo. You do-do. Wearing the pink little tutu and panties, that's what you want to do. We'll let you do.
Okay. What on it?
Arnold said he wants to roam with the dinosaurs with you. The Tricerasauruses, the Biceptors, the Trapezosaurus Rexes, of course the Quadzillas. And if that doesn't work, he said he'll bring some Terminatorology for you.
You got to go with us, though.
Okay. Don't hurry.
Hey, give me that suitcase. Stealing stuff again? What is this? Stealing again.
Pull the paper. Get back here, jackass. Yo, you're going. You're going. You're going. Come on, remember, you get to go toot-toot. Huh? You remember? That's right. Where you live with the dinosaurs.
Carl, what the hell are you doing in here? What have you got my coat on for?
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. I'm gonna take it off right now, sir.
What's that smell? And where's your pants?
I wet my pants, Mr. Bozeman, and I left them downstairs. I hung them on the fence. I was just cleaning up your office, sir.
Carl, this is the 4th time this week you've been in here. Get the hell out of here.
I'm sorry, Mr. Bozeman. It will not happen again, sir. I don't know what gets into me, sir. I'm going, all right? I'm out of your way now, sir.
Chris, would you have my coat dry cleaned?
Yes, I will.
That's right. That's right. Way to go, choo-choo.